Example, how much work done is moving a charge of 12 coulombs across 2 points having potential difference 12 volts. So in this problem, we can find the work done. So what is given here? 12 coulomb charge and 12 volts potential difference. 12 volts potential difference and charge is 12 coulombs. So we can find the work done. We know, first of all, we can write given charge, that means electric charge, is equals to 12 coulombs, and potential difference is equals to 12 volts. Now work done. So we can find the work done, question mark. Therefore, V is equals to, we know the formula, V is equals to W by Q. So W is equals to V Q. So how much V? V is 12 volts. Q how much? 12 coulombs. That is equals to 12 12s are 144. So work done units joules. Therefore, work done is 144 joules. So let us find here from this problem work done. See the next problem. The 16 joules of energy is given to 2 coulomb of charge passing through a battery. Then find the electric potential. So now we have find the electric potential. What is given here? 16 joules of energy and 2 coulombs of charge. Then how much we can find the electric potential here? We know about the formula V is equals to W by Q. But given, first of all, given work done, W is equals to 16 joules. So electric charge Q is equals to how much? 2 coulombs. Now find the potential difference, means electric potential. Electric potential is equals to V, that means question mark. We know about the formula V is equals to W by Q. How much W? W means 16. Q means how much? 2. So that is equals to 2 8s are 16, 2 1s 2 8s. So 8 volts. Therefore, V is equals to 8 volts. Now let's see the third problem. The electric potential of the given circuit is 12 volts and work done is 96 joules. Then find the electric charge of the closed circuit. So we can find the electric charge of the closed circuit. Now what is given in the problem? Work done 96 joules. Electric potential 12 volts. Electric potential 12 volts. Work done 96 joules. So we find the electric charge. Electric charge means Q. So given electric potential V is equals to 12 volts. Work done W is equals to 96 joules. Electric charge Q question mark. Therefore, we know that about the formula V is equals to W by Q. We find the Q, that means Q is equals to W by V. What is W? 96. And what is potential? 12. So how much? 12 ones, 12 nines, 12 eights. Yes, 12 eights are 96. So Q is equals to 8 joules. 8 joules. That means electric charge is 8 joules. So from the first problem we find the work done. In the second problem we find the electric potential, and third problem we find the electric charge. So from electric potential V is equals to W by Q. We can find the electric potential, electric charge, work done in the given any circuit. Circuit diagram. The next topic is circuit diagram. That means how to make a construct a circuit from electric equipments. So the circuit designing is a graphical representation. That means how we have to designing, how do we have attached some electric equipments. So all the equipments can be connected again representation a circuit diagram. See the circuit diagram. A circuit diagram is a graphical representation of an electric circuit. A circuit diagram uses simple images of components, while a schematic diagram shows the components and the interconnections of the circuit with connecting wires. So whatever we have to use components of electrical equipments, the connection should be connecting with wires. That means copper wire. So and also conventional symbols. Conventional symbols means, so whatever they have to equipment, that means electric equipment means they have a symbols all will be there. So that symbols may be used to represent a circuit diagram. That means in that circuit the symbols are connection between the each to each one. Then they have to be a one block diagram. The diagram may be called as circuit diagram. So that's why some of the most commonly used electric components should be going on given here. Let us see. See some of electrical components here. One is electric cell, a battery of combination of cell, open plug key or open switch, closed switch key or closed plug key, a wire joint, wires crossing without joint, electric bulb, a resistor of resistance or variable resistance or rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter. So these all are electrical components. Let us see the symbols. See here the symbol of electric bulb. That means the interconnection between positive and negative. See the bulb is the designing will be there. One is positive cell and one is the negative cell. That means that the positive connection will be connected to positive and the negative connection should be connected to negative. This is the symbol of cell. So we should use learning about the torch. We should using the torchlights. So one is positive and one is negative. This is combination of cells. So long charges, long torchlights will be there. In the torchlight, we have to use 3 or 4 batteries. In 3 or 4 battery, we should maintain plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. That means the plus minus should be connecting with, the minus will be connecting to positive, and again the negative will be connected to positive, and again the negative should be connected to the circuit. So this is the combination of cells. See, this is the symbol of voltmeter. So in voltmeter contains 2 terminals, one is positive terminal and another one is negative terminal. These 2 terminals should be connecting with across the any 2 points. See, this is ammeter. So should be ammeter also. We have to get the 2 terminals. One is positive and one is negative. So these 2 terminals also should be connecting with 2 adjoint lines. That means we should find the current in this ammeter, and in previous voltmeter we should find the voltage in voltmeter. So these are the measurement instruments. So voltmeter and ammeter are measurement instruments. Yes, see the variable resistance or rheostat. So in rheostat we have a fixed point and variable point. So first one of the point is fixed point and another point is variable point. That means if it is fixing here, the variable starting from here to on that side. If it is fixing that side, then the variable can start from that side to this side. So that's why the variable resistor or variable resistance, or we have to call it as rheostat. So this is the symbol of variation. That means variable from here to here or here to here, like that. This is the symbol of resistor. That means the resistor of resistance. That means 1 ohms, 2 ohms, 3 ohms, 4 ohms, 6 ohms, 8 ohms, 12 ohms, like that any ohms. So should be have a only one resistance, that can be called as a resistance. See the symbol is without joining line, without joining line. That means one current wire should be passing like this in a horizontal. The vertical line is, this symbol can be contains without joining the horizontal line. That means the two wires are without joining wires. This is joining wires. That means wire joints. That means the horizontal line and vertical line. The two lines should be connecting here. So this symbol can be called as joining wires. Already we know the symbol is without a point is here. Without point is here means open plug key or open switch. And finally we have to go for here. If it is point is here means the plug key is inserted. The plug key is inserted. That means closed switch. See the last one. This is the fuse. The fuse symbol is like this shape. So these all are the electrical equipments of the electrical components. These are all the components we have to using a design a electric circuit diagram. That means circuit diagram. Let us be using some problems from tomorrow class. Thank you.